we built AI ride-alongs, infinitely scalable. And the magic is, because the AI is doing this, it can be done at any time. I'm really excited to show you this one. So, let's see. So this is Tim. So he's a technician with Turnpoint, a nationwide HVAC fleet, and they have truly safety at the heart of their mission. And by the way, just so you get, like, I'm not making this shit up. Like, this is real. Like, what you're about to witness here is the first AI ride-along in the world. That's how excited I am about this. Now, Tim here, the way this works is that the AI, it does just what a human would do. It rides along, takes notes of things. And what we see is that people, most of the time, they do good things, like Tim here. It's green everywhere. He's checking his mirrors. He's paying attention and everything. So typically, people do really well. If we click on here, it looks like there's some things here that really need attention. Let's take a look. So here is driving through an intersection. The AI is saying, look down while driving to charge a vaping machine. There. You're getting that? The AI saw that it was not paying attention, but also identified there was a vaping machine. And in addition to that, I believe the AI here will, if we look at this one, it has also assigned a training to Tim to manage these distractions.